Diversified Chemical Products of Wilmington, Delaware manufactures FDA-regulated formulations of laboratory, medical, and dental products, in addition to chemical cleaning powders. Central to the operation is a Munson 40 cubic foot or 1.13 cubic meter ribbon blender, which processes about 750,000 pounds or 340,194 kilograms per year of 45-plus formulations, a 25-fold increase since 2003 when the mixer was new. The FDA-compliant all-stainless steel machine is configured with a bag dump station at its intake and a receiving hopper and screw conveyor at its discharge to transfer materials to a surge hopper that feeds a filling and packaging line. Ingredients are added manually through the integral bag dump station, equipped with safety grating and a dust hood with filters to contain dust using 1-micron or sub-micron filters depending on the application. Semi-helical outer blades move material in one direction, as inboard blades move it in the other, dispersing ingredients uniformly throughout the batch. When required, fragrances, dyes, and other liquids are incorporated through internal spray lines. According to the company, the mixing action is consistent, with dispersion accuracy verified by quality control analysis. President Jim Long says the Munson is easy to clean and maintain, is adaptable and flexible, and has been a mainstay for the company's powder blending operation. See the industry's widest selection of bulk mixing and blending equipment at munsonmachinery.com.